In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a movie poster in Canva. Let's get started right from the Canva homepage. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the screen for the main button that lets you begin a new design. This is usually labeled Create a Design or something very similar. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point for any new project in Canva, and it tells Canva what kind of layout and dimensions you'll be working with. After clicking, a search bar or drop-down menu will appear with different design types. In that bar, type in Movie Poster. As you type, Canva will automatically suggest matching formats. Choosing the specific movie poster option is important because it sets your canvas to a standard poster size. This gives you the correct proportions right away, which is especially helpful if you plan to print your design later or share it in a professional setting. Once you see Movie Poster in the list of options, click on it. Canva will open a brand new design tab or window with a blank poster size canvas in the center. On the sides, you'll see various tool panels, but don't worry, we'll focus on just what you need. At this point, you officially have the right workspace for your movie poster project. Now let's make the design process easier by using templates. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a panel with options like elements, uploads, text, and so on. Among these, look for the one labeled Templates and click on it. This opens up a large library of ready-made poster designs specifically tailored for different themes and styles. Here you can scroll through the available movie poster templates. You'll find all kinds of looks: dramatic, minimalist, action-themed, romantic, and more. Even though you're starting from a template, you can customize everything later, including images, colors, and text. So don't worry about finding something that's perfect right away. Focus on choosing a layout